When the storm of World War I engulfed Europe, Belgium found itself at the heart of the conflict, facing an unrelenting invasion by German forces. At the helm of the Belgian nation was King Albert I, who, with unwavering resolve, assumed the role of Belgium's first soldier. This article delves into the remarkable story of King Albert I and his pivotal role in leading Belgium through the crucible of World War I. The invasion of Belgium, August 1914. Germany's Schlieffen Plan called for the swift conquest of Belgium as a means to outflank French defenses. The small, neutral nation stood in the path of the German war machine, facing a daunting and overwhelming force. King Albert I, thrust into the crucible of war, was faced with an unimaginable challenge. King Albert, a reluctant warrior. Born on April 8, 1875, Albert I ascended to the Belgian throne in 1909. Prior to the war, he had focused on modernizing Belgium and promoting social reforms. However, the invasion changed everything. Despite having no formal military training, King Albert demonstrated remarkable leadership, swiftly adopting the role of commander-in-chief. The Battle of Liege. As German forces advanced, the city of Liege became the first battleground. King Albert personally led his troops in the heroic defense of the city, showing his determination to protect Belgian soil. Although Liege ultimately fell, the resistance slowed the German advance, providing critical time for Allied forces to mobilize. The Belgian rendezvous with destiny. With Belgium under occupation, King Albert and his army undertook a strategic withdrawal to establish a defensive line along the Ussur River. This act, known as the Rendezvous with Destiny, was instrumental in preserving a portion of Belgian territory and safeguarding the vital ports of Nieuport and Dunkirk. Trench warfare and resilience. For 4 long years, King Albert and his troops endured the brutal realities of trench warfare along the Ussur front. Despite facing incredible odds and enduring unimaginable hardships, the Belgians held their ground, demonstrating a spirit of resilience and defiance that became emblematic of their nation's character. The liberation of Belgium. In 1918, as the tide of the war began to turn, King Albert led the Belgian army in a triumphant offensive that liberated vast swaths of Belgian territory. His steadfast leadership and the valor of Belgian soldiers were instrumental in reclaiming their homeland. The post-war legacy. After the war, King Albert's dedication to his nation's cause earned him widespread admiration and respect. He continued to play a pivotal role in the reconstruction and reconciliation efforts that followed, cementing his legacy as a revered figure in Belgian history. King Albert I of Belgium, hailed as the nation's first soldier, exemplified extraordinary leadership and courage during the crucible of World War I. His steadfast resolve and unwavering dedication to his people became a symbol of Belgian resilience in the face of adversity. King Albert's legacy endures as a testament to the power of leadership and the indomitable spirit of a nation determined to defend its freedom and sovereignty.